We're going to learn about the sounds of EA and EAR. EA has two main sounds. The first sound is the long E sound, and it is used about 2/3 of the time. So when you see an EA, the first sound you should try is the E. 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 The next sound you should try is the short E sound, which has the sound of eh. It is used about 1/3 of the time. Eh. 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 Let's practice both sounds. E, eh. E, eh. E, eh. Let's practice some words with the long E sound. Eat. P, E, P. See. Seat. Meat. T, E, T. Ear. B, een. Bean. G, ear. Gear. H, ear. Here. T, eam. Team. Leap. Mean. Eat. Heat. Fear. CH most of the time says ch. That's covered in this lesson. Each. Heel. Let's practice some words with the short E sound. Ed. Head. D, F. Deaf. Heavy. Y at the end of a word usually has the long E sound. See this lesson. Red E. Ready. D, F. Death. TH has two sounds. In this word, it has the first sound of f. That's covered in Level 2, Lesson 8. Ent. Meant. Breath. Breath. Ed. Dead. Ed. Dread. Instead. Instead. Heaven. Heaven. Breakfast. Breakfast. TH has two sounds. We're going to use the second sound of th, and ER says Weather. Feather. There are some words that can be read with both the long E and the short E sound. You need to know the context, the meaning of the surrounding words or sentences to figure out which one makes sense. With the long E sound, this word is read, the present tense. I read every day. With the short E, we have the word read, the past tense. I read a book yesterday. This word with a long E sound is lead, to guide or be in charge of, like I lead the class to the cafeteria. With the short E sound, we have lead, which is a type of metal. Here we have with the long E the word heal, which is a verb. Here we have health with the short E sound, which is a related word to heal, but it's the noun form. There are three main words where EA has the long A sound. Besides these three words, there are other words made from them based on adding prefixes and suffixes. So these words are great, break, steak. There are three important sight words that we need to cover before we move on in this program. In all three of these words, the O has the short U sound. In this word, the F is going to have a V sound. So this word is of. This word and this word both have a W sound before the O as a short U sound. So this word is one, like the number 1. This E doesn't do anything in the word. So this is 1, referring to the number. If you have a C followed by an E, I, or a Y, you have the soft C sound of S covered in level 3, lesson 3. So this word is once. Of, once, one, once, one, of. Let's practice with some sentences. I read, or this could be read. We will have to continue reading the sentence to figure out which pronunciation is the correct one. In the morning. OR says or. So this sentence could be I read in the morning. That makes sense. Or I read in the morning. That one also makes sense. Right here we have a V followed by an E. And this is an example of a word covered in this lesson where the E does not change the vowel to have a long sound. So this word still has a short sound. I have one kitty with black fur. UR says I have seen, EE has a long E sound, 3 deer by, Y at the end of a short word has a long I sound, the street. I have seen 3 deer by the street. Once I read, oh, that doesn't make sense. The word once means this has already happened. It's past tense. So we need read. Once I read a story that had 1 horse and 3 pigs. See level 3, lesson 10 for why this S says Z in it. The rest of this lesson is optional because it may be confusing for younger students. In order to understand the rest of this lesson, students need to know that a consonant refers to all letters except the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and Y. In these words, the EA has its most common sound of the long E. But if we add a consonant after the R, it changes the sound from ear to So this word is here, and here we've added a consonant, so this is going to be heard. This word is P, and this word is pearl. Ear, and the name Earl. Ear and earth. Sear, that means to burn the outside of a piece of meat. And search, CH is covered in this lesson. Here we have searching because we've added the suffix ing covered in level 3, lesson 9. Ear, earn. Dear, this word dear means valuable or expensive. And dearth. Dearth means to not have enough or have a lack of something. If you need more practice before lesson 4, you can download Word Mastery for free from Don Potter's website and practice these pages.